Hey everybody, Samuel Singer here, the founder and executive director of Wyoming Stargazing. Thanks for joining me and welcome to Mind Bending Astronomy. In every episode, we'll share with you, a mind-bending fact about astronomy. Last week, we learned that black holes are objects that have escape velocities greater than the speed of light at a specific distance from their centers known as the event horizon. Once an object crosses the event horizon of a black hole, that's it. There's no coming back. Because nothing, with or without mass, can travel faster than the speed of light, which we've already learned is actually the speed of causality, the cosmic speed limit beyond which no object can influence another object. So, if we can't accelerate up to the speed of light, and wormholes turn out to not exist, how are we going to explore the rest of the Milky Way Galaxy? Well, it turns out that there are several possibilities. Brace yourselves, Star Trek fans. It may turn out that the warp drive is actually possible. Even though objects, or even light, can't travel faster than the speed of light, space-time itself can. So, if you can create just the right curvature of space-time behind and in front of a spaceship, then that curvature just might be able to push and pull the spacecraft along as fast as you want. But that technology is far off into the future. What if we want to get to the closest star within the next 100 years? Light sails are probably the best bet to get to the closest stars beyond the solar system in that amount of time. They would need to have enormous sails, over 1 kilometer across, with huge lasers powering them either from Earth or from the moon. However, this technology is more or less realistic today. If we built and launched a massive solar sail spacecraft this decade, we could accelerate it up to about 10% of the speed of light and make it to the closest star within about 50 years. Warp drives and light sails are probably at the two extremes of the fastest way to get to the stars, warp drives, and of what we can actually build today, light sails. Speed of travel and speed of construction are the two biggest factors you have to take into account when planning your interstellar mission. A slow-ish ship like a light sail that you could build quickly might actually make it to the stars faster than a super fast ship like something with warp drive capabilities, or vice versa. That's what's called the weight calculation. And Dr. Matt O'Dowd from Spacetime does a really nice job discussing it, along with some other interstellar travel potentials. He also takes a look at how the amount of rocket fuel you have to carry weighs into the calculations. To learn more about that and other real possibilities for interstellar travel, check out the videos that I have in the transcript of these talks. Next time, we are going to take a look at the biggest problem in physics, the grand unified theory. Until then, be well, and don't forget to look up.